You've probably seen these videos everywhere right now. They're the ones where people get sucked up by a giant monster standing on top of a skyscraper. These things rack up millions of views, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create them yourself. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for a custom GPT model called Skyscraper Monster. When you find it, click Start Chat. You'll get 4 questions to fill out. The first one asks what kind of monster or animal you want to see. For our example, let's go with a giant hippopotamus. For the liquid, we'll choose lava. For the city, we'll pick New York City, and we'll skip the person question for now. The GPT will generate a text-to-image prompt for you. Copy this prompt and open OpenArt. In OpenArt, go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Select the Nano Banana Pro model. Paste your prompt into the text field. For the style reference, upload an image of yourself or whoever you want to feature in the video. Set the size to 9:16 and the resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want to generate, then hit Create. You'll get images like these. Now go to the Image to Video tab. Select the Kling 2.6 model. Paste the video prompt from my website. You'll find it in the description. Set the duration to 10 seconds and turn on the audio. Click Create and wait for your video to render. This is what Kling 2.6 produces. I tested this with MrBeast, KSI in London, and iShowSpeed. The results look incredible. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.